In the wake of the racially charged violence plaguing America, Ariana Grande and Monet have collaborated on a song called Better Days to give people a little hope. There's nothing quite like music to bring people together, so luckily Ariana and Victoria are putting their vocal superpowers to good use. With all of the violence and outrage happening across America, Ariana Grande and Monet have teamed up in the effort to bring some light to these hard times. The song is called Better Days and sends a message of peace, love, and unity. Take a listen.
Better days, when things are better. Hoping for better days, better days, some better days.
The lyrics send a powerful message saying, how are we going to stop the violence, stop the hurting, stop the hatred, stop the murders? We're all human, that's for certain. Come together, we deserve it. Ariana teased the song on her Instagram yesterday along with a powerful message saying, quote, during this challenging time, we have to remember that the only way we will progress is if the outruling force is love. Music is a universal language that all of us can feel regardless of color lines, gender, sexuality, age, race, religion. It unifies us. We believe we cannot fight hate with hate, only love. Just as we cannot fight darkness with more darkness, only light. Too many precious lives were taken from us this week, this month, this year. Rest in peace, Alton Sterling. Rest in peace, Philando Castile. Hashtag Black Lives Matter. And the police that were peacefully guarding the hashtag Black Lives Matter rally in Dallas, rest in peace. She then went on to name each of the police officers who lost their lives. Ariana's collab partner Victoria also wrote some words of wisdom saying, quote, I'm heartbroken by all of the recent tragedies that came as a result of hatred, racism, and injustice. I'm also sad at how numb some of us are to it because it is far too common. This is not a video game or a movie you're witnessing on your screens. This is our unfortunate reality. When I think about how I feel, the word confused comes to mind, so today we just want to try and help in one of the ways we know how. Victoria has written several songs for artists, including Ariana, Fifth Harmony, and Janelle Monae. Better Days marks her first duet with Ariana and sends a positive message that we all need to hear right now. What are your thoughts on the song? Sound off in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and then click over here to see 1D battle Zayn on Diss Track. Thanks for watching Clevver News. As always, I'm your host, Misty Kingma, and I'll see you guys next time. Click to the left to walk down memory lane with Elle Woods on Throwback, or click to the right for some nose waxing on Beauty Driven.